I'm so excited! Valentine's Day, a day of chocolates, roses, love hearts, and glitter! Roses are red, violets are blue. I need chocolate. How about you? These are my favorite. Yummy! You'll never guess what's happened to me. A giant box of chocolate hearts to share? Sorry, no, but it is amazing. It's here in the paper. Look, there in black and white, in the Littleton local paper, a poem by none other than Shawnee. Wow, Shawnee, a poem by you in the paper? That's wonderful! Read it out loud to us, Shawnee. I love Littleton. It's the greatest place to be. So much to do, so much to see. So many places to explore. Take a look at the mall with its amazing stores. Take a trip to the diner. Believe me, there is nothing finer. Look, we have our own arcade with flashing lights for fun and games. Even our school is really cool. Our town is great. Make no mistake, Littleton, I love you. Yeah! Yeah! Bravo! Oh, Shawnee, that's fantastic. It's great to love where you live so much. Well, it's a great town, full of wonderful people, too. Gosh, it makes me want to write a poem of my own. And me, but where to start? Well, I think it was put in the paper today because it's Valentine's Day, and it's all about something I love. So why don't you write about something you love? Wow, Shawnee, I'm impressed. I'd love to have a poem in the paper for everyone to read. Well, take a pen and paper, go to your favorite place, and see what inspires you. I already feel inspired to visit my favorite place, the shopping mall. Well, I'm off. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Oh, I'm a poet and I didn't know it. You two, go and have fun. I'll be waiting here to be amazed by your poems when you return. There's so much here to write about. All these shops, the wonderful sights, all the different sounds, all sorts of smells, the feel of the fabrics, and... Ooh! Shoes! Lots and lots of shiny shoes! Here's my inspiration for a poem. Well, I love food, but what rhymes with hamburger with double cheese and pickles? Tickles? Fickle? Or what about popcorn? But it's not very romantic. Oh, this is no good. I know! Why don't I go to the arcade? Shawnee mentioned the bright lights in her poem. Perhaps I'll get a flash of inspiration there. Everywhere is really pretty. Everywhere is really pretty. What a silly little ditty. Oh, I'm hopeless at this. I'm going home. Perhaps Lila has had more luck. Who wants to go first? Me! This poem is called Choose Shoes. Hey, everybody! Look what's new! Blue shoes, red shoes, green shoes, pink. All of the colors you could possibly think. Yellow shoes, purple shoes, orange shoes too. All of the colors, which one to choose? White shoes, black shoes, even brown. Turn this frown upside down. What about these? Rainbow style? They're my favorites by a mile. Ah! That's great, Lila. What's yours, Polly? Well, the diner and the arcade didn't inspire me. But I think I've just found my inspiration. Hang on a moment. Huh? Ahem. Wherever I am, whatever I do, I'm happiest when I'm with you two. Shawnee and Lila, my two best friends. Our adventures together will never end. Caring and sharing, such fun and laughter. We will live happily ever after. That's beautiful, Polly. I loved it. Well, happy Valentine's Day, girls! A poem for my gal pals. A Galentine's Day poem!